Meet James, an account manager from Wright & Co Electronics. He's unhappy, rolling about stuck in his office, unable to react to his clients' needs. He's constantly on the go, but never gets anywhere. Even when he does get out of the office, he feels stretched. He needs to be in contact with colleagues, partners and customers. It's all a lot of hassle trying to stay in touch. He's not truly connected. Often when he connects to the person he wants, he doesn't have ready access to the necessary information that can turn a call into a sale, a conference into an action plan, a discussion into a decision. Which is a problem. People have to try several numbers to get hold of him. Calling on his mobile is expensive. Whether he's at home, on the move, or even in the office, he can't access the information he needs, or the applications that would make his life easier. He's losing business. His work-life balance is completely unbalanced. There must be a better way, mustn't there? Thought James. Quite simply, yes. Discover the software that joins up your communications. Now his connections are joined up, James has voice in his desktop applications and he can run the same applications on his mobile. So his PC works as a phone and his phone as a PC. It means he can talk and share information with colleagues, partners and customers wherever he is. The office is wherever he is. Though he's working remotely, James can easily schedule and host a virtual conference between the client and his colleagues back in the office. In no time at all, the deadline for the new contract is agreed. Mrs. James is happy now that it's so much easier for James to work from home, so he's not missing dinner or important family events like son Joe's first steps. And the client's impressed too. James got back to him later the same day and presented some smart ideas for the new contract that he drafted on the train. Everything's running like clockwork now all James's connections are joined up. He can check his calendar, make lower cost calls, join a teleconference and get back to his customers in the most efficient way. All from within familiar Microsoft Office applications, with just one click. James is happy now he's saving money and resources. He's cut costs by reducing travel expenses, replacing in-person meetings with virtual meetings. In fact, he's gained an extra 28 minutes of productivity a day. He's cut call charges. With voice running over his IT network, he's significantly reduced his mobile costs and conference charges. It's easier to talk to the right person when he wants, the way he wants, from where he wants. He can collaborate more effectively with people, setting up project groups so they can work together to meet important deadlines and working with colleagues even if they're on the move. How did James do it? How did he get work to people instead of people to work? Simple. He harnessed the power of software to make it easier to communicate. With Microsoft-hosted unified communications, there's no software to install, no technology to maintain, and no upfront investment. It's all hosted by a certified Microsoft partner on their own systems. They store and protect your data, keep everything up and running, and make sure you're always using the most up-to-date software. And all for one low, predictable monthly price.